The scene opens with a breathtaking view of a majestic bridge, its sleek structure painted in a brilliant, pristine white that gleams under the midday sun. The atmosphere is exceptionally bright and clear, with a vast, cloudless blue sky stretching overhead, casting a warm and vibrant glow over the entire landscape. Below, the steady hum of life is palpable as a continuous stream of cars, trucks, and other vehicles glide smoothly across the bridge's expanse, their metallic surfaces catching the sunlight as they move. The rhythmic sound of tires on the pavement and the distant, gentle roar of engines create a sense of purposeful motion, harmonizing with the serene and radiant beauty of this sun-drenched architectural marvel.